This is my outfit. Very cute. And Nathan's here and we're filming today.
Hey guys.
And I'm so oily. Do you want to say anything before you go?
We're going to Kariya Park, gonna shoot some stuff. We got the cams on deck. Hopefully there's not too many people.
Should I get my sunglasses?
Probably not, it's not that dark.
But I want to.
I mean, it's not that bright.
But they look cute. It's not for protection.
Comment down below if she needs sunglasses. She doesn't. We're running a little late. Peep the drip real quick though.
Ooh, cute. I didn't even see the shoes. So we're a little late for the cherry blossoms, but this is what's left on the trees. You see out here taking videos and pictures. Hopefully it doesn't fall into the water here because I want to get a full body picture.
Check out this pathway.
Let me get a picture real quick. They have performers. Oh, there's poop there. Put that down. We got some bubble tea. And Nathan over here is gonna get some footage of me getting, we're gonna test out some footage, probably do some continuous shooting or something. I got the passion fruit QQ, of course. And Nathan got the pearl latte with brown sugar. Okay, tell me when.
Ooh, gorgeous.
Really? He just said it looked gorgeous, guys.
Over here.
The camera's over there.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Drink it, drink it. Okay.
I fell down my dress.
That's okay.
Ah, it's cold.
You're swearing in your video? Check it out.
Where are we going now?
We're going to the car and then we are going to head back to Brampton to do a car wash. So stick around for that.
Okay, what's up guys? We're at the car wash and do we find change? We have $3. Is that enough?
That's all you need.
For like 3 minutes, right?
I don't know. It says
Anyways,
dollar
okay.
points.
We'll see what's gonna happen and we'll keep you updated. What's up guys? So it's evening, we're back home now. We had a blast at the, where were we again? Car wash. Had so much fun at the car wash and we're back home. Look, the car's looking shiny.
We should have got B-roll of the car wash. That would have been sick. But yeah, we had fun at the car wash. Car's shiny. We had a lot of fun. It was a different experience. Like I've Like my dad does the car wash situation, so I've never done it myself. And now we're just chilling on the porch. Laptop's out. Gonna get some work in. Oh, bubbly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go crack that up and get a glass and sit out here. Oh my god, my head's up in the frame. Alright, catch you guys on the next one.
Do they want to see us crack it?
No.
Thumbs up if you want to see us crack it.
No! My camera's dying.
Here goes.
Woo!
Okay.
Drink it.
And I'm sharing it out. We'll pour it up.